This video explains how to use the Announcements tool as an instructor in Brightspace. Help boost engagement by scheduling announcements for frequent and regular communication to all learners enrolled in a course. Learners can set notification preferences to be made aware of important updates. On your course homepage, navigate to Course Tools and click Announcements. Click New Announcement. Enter a headline and enter a description in the content text box. Set a start date and an end date. If desired, add attachments or release conditions to your announcement. Click Publish.